join this Prime C, talagang as in, wala akong masabi sa mga products. You have to try it. Sulit talaga at hindi lang yon. Dito ka mabubuhay ng maayos. I'm telling you. Try it, check it, and test it. Ay, perfect na perfect. Let's go! Prime Z!
Coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter.
We're very glad that the product has been released today, and we're so excited na marami matutulungan itong produkto na ito.
Grabe, so na-excite akong i-share ngayon sa lahat ng tao, no, sa lahat ng mga kakilala ko kung gaano kaganda itong bagong products ng Prime C.
The wait is over. Yeah! Diba? Kasi ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay ng lahat. Sobrang thank you po. Sobrang thank you sa tiwala na ibinigay nyo po sa atin, sa mga BODs at sa buong kumpanya. So, wala po kaming ibang hangad, kundi ang pag-prosper ng bawat isa.
Nothing to do. These days they come and go.
Maulan na hapon sa ating lahat, no? And welcome to the product launch, no? Ng ating product na Prime Cleanse Capsules. Okay? The Prime Cleanse will boost your metabolism. It helps in weight management, promote heart health, no? Enhances digestive health. It regulates blood sugar in the body, good for the kidney, bladder, and prostate conditions. And it's a natural diuretic to increase urine flow. Increasing urine flow, ano pa mape-prevent niya dyan? Kidney stones. No? So it's almost like a miracle supplement. Okay? No other food supplement preparations have all of these components. Only Prime Cleanse.
Am I dreaming? 'Cause you're the only thought on my mind. And when I see you, sometimes I can't believe my eyes.
One of the most exciting moment talaga to in our Prime Z journey kasi dito lumabas yung unang product na magdo-dominate sa hindi lang sa buong Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo.
Grabe yung product na yan, no? Sabi nga ng doktor na kasama natin, ano siya, no? Miracle. Kasi nga lahat kinover na niya. Kasi lahat ng toxic sa katawan, lahat ng toxins ilalabas. Okay ba yun? Di ba okay na okay yun?
Kaya samahan niyo po kami mas ma-excite and tulungan niyo po kami na ma-share sa lahat ang goodness ng Prime Cleanse.
Kaya nga ito yung pinakauna nilabas ni Lord na product natin eh. Oo, para tanggalin mo na lahat ng toxic sa buhay mo. At gumaan ka na. Tama? Oo. Gumaan na yung buhay ng pamilya mo. Kalain mo, it's a miracle food supplement pala to. Sobrang lalakas.
I'm up so high, can't touch the ground if I wanted to. I wanna fly. You make me feel like I'm on top of the world.
So I know that Prime Cleanse is just one of the many future products of Prime Z that we don't only sell, but we promote for a healthy Filipino nation.
You make me feel.
Amazed and very exciting yung product na meron tayo ngayon with Prime Z.
Ito na, masusubukan na natin ang galing ng ating Prime Cleanse.
Talagang ako'y believe na believe at talaga ako'y naniniwala. This is a miracle product.
Subukan nyo yung Prime Cleanse at makikita nyo na gaano effective itong product na to.
I got my head in the clouds when I'm with you. I'm up so high, can't touch the ground if I wanted to. I wanna fly. You make me feel like I'm on top of the world. Whoa.
Ito na, ang pinaka-the best na produkto sa buong mundo. Sumumalaman bakit? Sumumalaman bakit? Kasi itong produktong to ang magpapayaman sa iyo. Kaya ito ang the best. Bakit? Dahil itong produktong to may kasamang negosyo. At yun ang negosyo mo. Itong kumpanyang to, ikaw ang bida dito. Lahat ng kailangan mo knowledge, ipro-provide ng Prime C para yumaman ka at ang pamilya. And that is a guarantee. So always feel good, be happy, and be thankful.
I'm up so high, can't touch the ground if I wanted to. I wanna fly.
Thank you, Prime Z. No? Maraming salamat sa bagong produkto.
Thanks, Prime Z.
Thank you, Prime C.
Thank you, Prime Z.
Thank you, Prime Z.